This is COR Pump, a gadget designed for every kite surfer. It simplifies inflation and protects the airbag of your kite. Like us, you're probably tired of always using a normal hand-powered pump to pump up your kite. All that repetitive bending over action is just not cool. COR Pump is completely hands-free. When you're on the beach, by the lake, in the desert, or on a snowy mountain kite skiing, COR Pump has you covered. All you need to do is connect the pump hose to the airlock valve of your kite. COR Pump will start to inflate quickly and safely. It's smart. COR Pump has two built-in inflatable engines which provide a maximum of 15 psi. Real-time air pressure sensors protect the safety of your kite and helps prevent overinflation. COR Pump uses a USB-C charging port which can be fully charged in 1 hour. One full charge is enough to inflate 15 9-meter kites or 12 12-meter kites. At the same time, it can be used as a power bank to charge your mobile devices. When COR Pump is pumping, the indicator light displays the air pressure in real time, with green, orange, and red representing the different levels of air pressure. In terms of versatility, it includes the 6 different kite nozzles of any pump on the market, so COR Pump is compatible with every kite out there. This is a true wireless air pump, safe and fast, with 1-button inflation and 1-button pause. The total amount of air pressure is easily under your control. In response to some kite surfing clubs' feedback, COR Pump will launch the Pro version as well, with a larger battery capacity and a LCD pressure gauge. After more than 2 years of research and development, our prototype has received great reviews from kite surfers all over the world. A high-quality traditional hand pump costs more than $90 US. When designing COR Pump, we took both the overall aesthetics and pressure function into consideration. That's right, the super early bird price is only $69. Now, we need your support to help bring COR Pump to life right here on Kickstarter. Our mission is simple. We want you to enjoy kite surfing more and help keep your backpack light on the adventure. We hope you'll join us. Thank you and see you out there.